guys, and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the file is too large for the destination file system USB error with BEST. But before we get started, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. Now, let's move on to fix the file is too large for the destination file system error with 4 BEST fixes. Solution 1. Remove and reconnect the USB drive. Try unplugging the drive from your system and connecting it to a different USB port. This is one of the basic troubleshooting methods that will help you to fix this error and test the drive for optimal compatibility. Solution 2. Change the drive letter. Windows automatically assigns a letter to the drive when the USB drive is connected to the system. However, if the drive letter mismatches with the USB drive letter in File Explorer or Disk Management, you may likely receive the error. To fix it, you'd need to change the drive letter manually. Press Windows + X and select Disk Management from the list of options. Now, look for the drive you're facing the error with, right-click on it, and select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Now, click Change to change the drive letter. Select Assign the following drive letter and choose from the drop-down list. After selecting the drive letter, click OK to confirm. Now, retry and see if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Format your storage into NTFS file system. You can get rid of the file is too large for destination file system issue by formatting the storage drive to the NTFS file system. Here I will show you how to format the drive using the Windows File Explorer or File Management utilities. Here is how to do it. Format the storage using Windows File Explorer. Press Windows + E keys to launch File Explorer on your Windows PC. Locate your storage drive and right-click on it. Select Format from the right-click menu. Select NTFS under the File System tab, and check the box against Quick Format. Click the Start button at the bottom and the format process will begin. Click OK to confirm the changes when the process is complete. Format the storage with File Management. Right-click the Start menu button and select Disk Management from the options. Right-click the USB drive or external drive and select Format. In the Format window, select NTFS under the File System tab. Don't forget to check the Quick Format box. Click Start to initiate the format process. Click OK once the formatting is complete. Solution 4. Use cloud storage to transfer your file. If you've stored some useful data on your FAT32 formatted storage and you don't want to lose it, it is better to go for alternate storage. The option is to use a cloud storage service like Google Drive. You can easily upload any file size or type to the cloud storage and access it whenever or wherever you need it. So, this is all about fixing the file is too large for the destination file system USB error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.